Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to import and export customer invoices in Odoo. First, log into your account. Once inside, on the top left, click on this arrow, then go to Accounting. Now, on the upper ribbon, select on Customers, and then choose Invoices. Now first, we will import a customer invoice. To do that, click on the Settings icon, and then choose on Import Records. Now, go ahead and upload your data file. I have an Excel file here that contains my customer invoice. When you have that, just go ahead and select it and open. Now, just go ahead and map the fields of your Excel to your Odoo. Once done, just go ahead and click on this Import button at the top left. And as you can see, there are errors. So to fix that, just choose on Create New Values. Once done, click again on Import at the top. And there you have it. Your two records are successfully imported. So when you go to Customers and select on Invoice again, you can now see that your new records are added. Now let's go on exporting an invoice. To do that, just select the invoice that you want to export. Now, click on this action, Settings, and then select on Export. Here you can add in available fields. For example, I'm gonna add activity exception decoration, and now it will be added to the fields to export. You can also go ahead and choose an export format between XLSX and CSV. Once everything is done, just go ahead and click on the export button at the bottom. And there you have it. Your invoice is now exported. And that's just basically it. That's how you import and export customer invoice in Odoo. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.